Welcome to our video on creating a sophisticated fall kitchen. In today's video, we'll explore how you can enhance your kitchen's ambience with elegant fall details and rich seasonal hues. If you love the idea of combining style and coziness for the season, stay tuned for some beautiful decorating ideas. Seasonal floral arrangement. Place a sophisticated floral arrangement in a glass or ceramic vase on your kitchen island. Opt for fall blooms in rich colors like burgundy, mustard, and rust, which will bring a warm and inviting feel to the space. Elegant table linens. Switch out your table linens for those in fall-inspired colors. Choose napkins and a table runner in hues like deep red or burnt orange to add an understated elegance that complements your kitchen decor. Brass accents. Incorporate brass elements like candle holders, kitchen tools, or drawer pulls. These accents add a touch of luxury and pair beautifully with autumn tones, giving your kitchen a warm, sophisticated look. Fall wreath above the stove. Hang a simple, elegant fall wreath above the stove or on a cabinet door. Using muted colors and natural materials like eucalyptus can add a cozy seasonal touch without overwhelming the space. Seasonal candles. Add candles in autumn scents like cinnamon or vanilla on your kitchen counter or dining area. Not only do they add a warm ambience, but their subtle fragrance can make the kitchen feel extra inviting. Rich colored kitchen towels. Replace your regular kitchen towels with those in deep seasonal colors such as wine red or dark green. It's a small yet impactful way to bring in the spirit of fall without much effort. Pumpkin centerpiece. Create an elegant pumpkin centerpiece with a mix of ceramic and natural pumpkins. Choose neutral or metallic tones and place them on a tray with some greenery for a sophisticated seasonal touch. Decorative cutting boards. Display a few wooden cutting boards with rich, warm finishes. Lean them against the backsplash for an instant cozy, fall-inspired touch that's both practical and decorative. Glass jars with seasonal fillings. Fill glass jars with fall-themed items like pine cones, dried fruits, or acorns, and display them on open shelves. These natural elements add seasonal charm in an elegant way. Vintage copper cookware. Hang vintage copper pots and pans if you have a pot rack, or display them on open shelves. The warm tones of copper create an elegant fall aesthetic that adds both charm and functionality to your kitchen. Autumn herb display. Set up small pots of herbs like rosemary or thyme on your windowsill or counter. Not only do they add a fresh element to your kitchen, but the greenery also provides a subtle nod to the season. Warm-colored area rug. Place a warm-colored area rug in front of the sink or in your dining area. Rich reds, golds, or earthy tones will add warmth and comfort to your kitchen, making it feel more inviting for the fall. Seasonal artwork. Replace existing artwork with fall-themed prints, such as landscapes with autumn trees or paintings in warm hues. This small change can make a big difference in setting the seasonal mood in your kitchen. Subtle garland along shelves. Drape a subtle garland of fall-autumn leaves or berries along an open shelf. This adds a delicate seasonal element without being too overpowering, keeping the sophisticated look intact. Fruit bowl with seasonal produce. Display a bowl filled with seasonal produce like apples, pears, and pomegranates. It's an easy way to add a natural, elegant touch that also doubles as a practical part of your kitchen. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a sophisticated fall look in your kitchen. By incorporating these elegant touches, you can transform your space into a warm and inviting haven perfect for the season. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home decorating ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.